Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to day 2 of my formal nail art series. In today's video, I'm going to be using the Champagne Shine Duo from Nails Inc. to create this design. If you want to see how it's done, please keep on watching. As always, I'm going to start by applying a base coat to all of my nails. As the base color for my middle and ring fingers, I'm going to be applying 3 coats of Fizz-ical, which is a beautiful iridescent blush nude polish. I love the micro glitters in this polish, and it took me 3 coats to become completely opaque. I know I've said it before, but I'll say it again, I love the wide brushes that come with these polishes because I can cover my entire nail bed in just a few strokes. Before I finish off the rest of the design with finals and rhinestones, I'm going to apply a fast drying top coat and let that dry completely. On all of my other nails, I'm going to be applying 2 coats of Straight to My Head, which is the other polish in the Champagne Shine Duo. This is probably my favorite polish out of the entire collection that I was sent because I think this is just such a stunning holographic polish that will go well with absolutely everything, and the formula is great, the color is great, and it's opaque in 2 coats. This polish does dry a little bit matte, so in order to get that glossy finish, I'm going to add a fast drying top coat. So here is 2 coats of Straight to My Head on my index and pinky, and 3 coats of Fizz-ical on my middle and ring fingers. Next, I'm going to use the X pattern stencil from What's Up Nails on my middle nail. Just make sure that your base polish is completely dried before applying vinyls to your nails, otherwise they may start to peel once you remove the vinyl. Since I'm going to be sponging my next polish on, I'm going to apply Edge Perfection Easy Peel Polish Barrier all around my nail. I'm going to apply Straight to My Head to a piece of a makeup sponge and sponge that directly onto my nail. Right after I'm finished sponging, I'm going to take a pair of tweezers and carefully remove the vinyls from my nail. To finish that nail off, I'm going to apply a fast drying top coat. Now onto my ring fingernail, I'm going to be applying another layer of a fast drying top coat to act as a glue for the rhinestones. I'm going to be using a 3mm and a 2mm rhinestone for this nail, and I'm going to pick that up using a wax pencil. I'm going to apply the 3mm rhinestone in the middle close to my cuticle and the 2mm rhinestone right under that. And you're done! Here's the finished design. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you recreate this design, be sure to tag me on Instagram at caramellogram so I can see. If you missed my last video or want to see the other videos in this series, you can click the links on your screen or in the description box below. Anyways, that's all for today, and I'll see you next time. Bye!